just right click and get inspect. Okay, then get it cancel, clear everything from here, from here, and paste the script. Right click, select all, right click again, copy the script. Okay, and minimize it, and then paste your script over here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and this is our unconfirmed transaction. We just need hash ID. Okay, copy to clipboard and paste over here. Click OK. We want to send transaction, click OK. Once again, OK. Close everything from here. Before refreshing the wallet, I just wanted to let you show this is the only real channel. It has 10k subs on YouTube, and this is the only real number which I own, and Telegram ID. Okay, so click refresh and see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. So let me show you the time. What's time? It's 3:46 p.m. Tuesday, 16 November 2025. Okay, let me show you that, because there's watermark of number. Okay, so yeah, as you can see there, and this is the transaction. It will confirm in maximum 1 hour. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but yeah, see, yeah, it's not confirmed, but it will confirm very soon. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next video.